Hi guys, welcome back to Bennett Makes. Today we are going to we're actually going to be making a bowl. Okay, so this bowl is for my mum's birthday for tomorrow. It's for her, and I thought I'd make her something nice. And it's only going to be my first ever bowl. But first, before we get onto that, I got stickers to put on my board. As you can see, it's filled up quite nicely at the moment. So first, we have got Sparta Customs. Thank you for sending me your sticker. Not on straight. Okay. So that is not the only one I have. So this is the second or third sticker that Nick from the Flaming Turner sent me and Dad. Yeah, we lost them, but we've got one now. We've got the third one he sent us. Maybe. You shall go right. See next to Dad and next to Liam Hill from Dovetails. So thank you to Nick and Sparta for sending me stickers. So big shouts out to everyone on the board. Hope you enjoyed the video and tell me what you think in the comments of when this is done. See you in a bit. much for making it to the end of my video. This is the finished product. I will leave some stills at the end. I really enjoyed turning this. I did have help from Dad, but that's because this is my first time doing it. So it's actually for my mum's birthday tomorrow, but we're going to give it to her tonight. If you have any feedback or you would like to leave a comment, please do. I actually enjoy reading the comments, you know, listening to feedback from you guys. And what do you think about it? I loved this project of mine. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. I'll leave some stills up at the end, but so yeah, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that malarkey. But yeah, just tell me what you think about it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.